How to turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. Snapchat's timer feature allows you to set a delay before taking a photo or video, so you have time to get ready. In this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. Let's dive in. Launch your Snapchat. Now at the right corner, you're gonna find different options. Click on this plus option. With that, different options will appear. Navigate to the option of timer. Click on it. Photo timer has been enabled. On the countdown of 3, you can click the picture. Likewise, click on that timer icon to enable video timer, and then you can select the countdown time. Then click on set timer. Now you can shoot the video. So this way you can easily set up timer for your Snapchat. In the case you want to disable timer, you just have to click on it, and with that, the timer icon will disappear. And that's how you turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. It's a handy feature for capturing the perfect moment without rushing. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.